Hi, I'm Omega Lee, and this is Earbuds to replace iPhone headphones. We all know the traditional earbuds that come with iPhones. Well, today I'm going to talk about my favorite earbuds, which are called Earbuds. When I was working at Apple, I used to sell these all the time because the one thing that everyone asked about for earphones were, do you have any that don't fall out of your ear? And Earbuds actually have a patented technology that uses a Kevlar earbud that goes over the earphones so that when you put them in your ear, they actually don't fall out. So the cool thing about these also is that they're sweat-proof, water resistant, so when I work out, I don't have to worry about the sweat going into the earbuds. And when you put them in, they literally do not fall out and cannot fall out. They're really on.